Hello everyone. Today we will briefly introduce the _thread module in MicroPython. It allows us to run tasks concurrently. In the last video, we introduced how to use interrupts to detect button presses on the ESP32. In this video, we will briefly introduce how to achieve concurrent execution in MicroPython. In MicroPython, the _thread module provides basic multi-threading support. It allows you to execute multiple functions simultaneously. You might be curious, why not use the more common threading module in Python? This is because the advanced threading array is not implemented in MicroPython. At the underlying level, the threading module is built on top of the _thread module. Next, let's take a look at the actual code. We will create two threads. One thread is used for blinking the LED. The other thread prints messages to the console. As can be seen, we have defined two functions. One is used for toggling the LED state. The other is for printing messages. Each function runs in an infinite loop with a delay. Using _thread, start _new _thread. We will start these functions as separate threads. Note, we use an empty tuple to indicate that these functions have no arguments. Finally, we keep all threads active by using a while loop. This is the actual running result. You can see the LED blinking. At the same time, messages are being printed on the console. This is the charm of concurrent execution. The _thread module allows us to easily manage multiple tasks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.